So we just finished eating in the Thai restaurant, so we're gonna go home, back up. No one's there, no people over there. I'm on the right way. Okay. Okay, let's go home.
Alright, make a right turn at this road joint.
Right.
I'm not even sure what you call it.
There's no one around.
Yep, just go straight.
And it's still stopped.
She thinks the gas pedal is on and off switch. It's not. Now this is where you have to kind of be careful because it's kind of hard to see people there. Although there's no sign that says you can't turn, so you just have to you can turn, but you gotta yield to people coming from there.
Yeah, yield from there and here, right?
Yeah, but primarily from there.
So no, there's none.
Yeah, look, right, no one's turning. There, wow. Wow! That was good! I'm proud of you. Good job, love. You did it right over the curb. Like, I've done it twice already myself.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes it's kind of like you just turn too early and like, oh, boop, boop, like, ah, damn. It's like, boop.
So we're going straight? Going straight?
So after this light, the next light, you're going to make a left turn. And then from there, you just go straight for the next, like, 10 minutes.
Hey, next light na yun, no?
Not this one, the next one.
That one?
Yeah, the only one you see in front of you.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So left.
Yeah, left. There's only one option for left, love.
Yield now, yield.
Yeah, cars are coming, so you wait until they pass and then you go. But you know, you kind of have to.
Yield only.
You just have to judge how far are they. Can you make it? Okay. But creep up a little bit. Like you can creep up a little. You don't have to stop. You know?
Like here?
Yeah. You can go after the BMW. Ah, fuck it. Never mind. So, do you know where you are?
Yes.
Then go drive home. Folks, an important part of driving is to know where you are. And if you've been in a certain place for almost a year, if not more than a year, and you don't know how to get back to your home or wherever you live.
But you always drive. Me, I didn't.
But you don't have to drive. You just have to be going back and forth between town. You know? Yeah, but if you're driving more often, you'll know where to go. The key is, we've been in this direction a few times, so it's important that you remember. That wasn't that bad. Come on. The most important thing is whenever you go over those little bumps or, bumps, you just hold your steering wheel tight. That's all. Not like extremely tight, just sturdy, firm. Actually, get into this lane. We're gonna make a right turn at the light.
Right?
Yeah. Right turn at the light.
So here.
Yeah. There we go.
What if, for example, there's a...
What's that?
Because I'm looking for the sign if speed limit is how much.
Yeah, if that's ever the case, you kind of try to gauge to the best of your ability of like, where are you at, right? If you're like in town or city or whatever, like, say 35, 25, but if you're like in the countryside, 45, 50 maybe. That's what I would gauge the best until you see speed limit sign. Usually you won't be missing the sign for very long. If you don't see it for a few minutes, you'll see it if you keep driving.
This is a different route.
Yes, it is.
Right?
Yes. Just drive. Just follow the speed limit and drive.
Pretty quick here. Now it's coming 45.
weather here is looking...
Yeah, it's so pretty here.
It's gonna rain, possibly. Those are very puffy clouds. I love weather, and I love to be able to record things while I'm not driving.
You're liking it? I mean, you love to be passenger?
Oh, gosh, goodness, yes. It's like a free Uber ride. But, you know, it's like having Uber ride, but then telling your Uber how to drive. It's like, oh, no, you know. It's like the rain over there. Look at that. It's so cool.
Wow, yeah.
It's like a shower. Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's like a shower, rain shower. Yeah. So, at the next light, you make a left turn, okay? Because we're going to merge on 37, which is the road's name. It's 37.
Next light.
Yeah.
Left.
But I'm asking you, what do you do if you're making a left turn on a regular green light?
Ah, okay.
You yield to people coming towards you, and then you make the turn.
A real highway?
This isn't really the highway, but it's close. Come on, what are you slowing down for? This is the last thing you gotta do. Pay attention. Who's in that left? Who's in your left lane? You're gonna run out of lane soon, so you better make it quick.
70 here, no?
65. You can do 70. 70 is fine. 65 to 70. But you want to give a bit more distance between this car in front of you. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is the ideal distance you want to have. Because if they slam on their brakes really hard, you gotta have time. See, this is between that car and you.
Yeah,
You gotta have
it's a bit
time.
far.
It's good. You can get closer, but I wouldn't get any closer from here. Okay, just to start out with, you know, as a rule of thumb. Keep your right side, because you're gonna be making a right turn up once you get to the bottom.
Yield.
Oh, you don't yield, you stop and then yield. Yeah.
No one.
Where's the turn signal?
Can't see. Just Oh, it's better to have a sweaty palm.
Why? Because it slides easier.
Yeah. It feels good when it slides on your ano.
Yeah.
Oh, he's following us.
They live here. Slow down, Gypsy.
Like we're gonna park where?
Wherever you find an opportunity. You can park regular. Watch out this little kid. And watch out that kid. Yeah. Just park regular into our driveway.
So backing up.
No, regular, like, you know, just facing forward.
That's the first time.
Yeah, just
I'm not
don't want
sure
to go
if
through the hassle of doing that.
Is it good?
You telling me, love? You have to be the judge of that, because you're parking. Don't hit that plastic thing over there. That's good right here.
Go here. Yay! I made it.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, so you have fun, love?
Yeah, it was good.
Thank you so much for teaching me today. Driving lesson 102. I 103 na pala. So, thank you so much guys and gals for staying tuned with my my YouTube. And we'll find out soon. Maybe I'm gonna get a driving license na.
Next
right?
month.
Next month pa.
That'd be 60 days, remember?
Okay, so yeah. We'll find out. And once that I know how to drive,
She's gonna leave me. She's like, divorce papers, here you go.
now I'm gonna
She's like, my plan coming to life right now. Auntie, I'm coming for you in Kentucky.
Oh,
Auntie.
Tita Nancy. Hi, Tita Nancy. So, yeah. So, once that I have a car, then for sure I can travel without him. Huh?
It's hot. This camera's hot.
Huh? Okay. So, yeah. Again, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Since our camera is hot now, just don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. And for sure, I'm gonna make a video wherein I'm driving, or maybe when I'm taking the driving exam or something. And once that I have a driver's license, then I can go travel wherever I want to go. So I'm gonna bring you and tour you here in US. Bye for now.
All right.